Hello friends, welcome to lesson 12th of Basic Vocabulary Learn to Speak Kashmiri. In this lesson, we will be talking about words that are necessary to seek directions on the road. All you have to do is to repeat the Kashmiri word after I have spoken it. Let's get started. Khovur, left. Dachun, right. Hur, up. Bon, down. Mansbagh, center. Syodui, straight. Doyim, next. Jan, right. We also sometimes use asal to signify right. Kharab, wrong. Galat, wrong. Per, kun, direction. Madat, help. While asking directions, we generally ask question like kapur, which is which direction, and the answer can be yapur or hupur. Yapur is from this direction or from this side, and hupur is from that direction or from that side. In all these three words, per is the common root word, which is direction or side. The next three important words that we'll learn are nebarkun, andarkun, alagkun. In all these three words, kun is the common root word. Nebarkun means outwards or outside. Andarkun means inwards or inside, and alagkun means aside or to one's side. Finally, the last three words are kamisnish, which is a question, and the answer could be amisnish and humisnish. Amisnish is used to signify someone who is near to the person who is answering, and humisnish is used to signify someone who is a little bit far away from the person who is answering. Both amisnish and humisnish signify in somebody's direction. So this was all with respect to the words that we use in the Kashmiri language to signify directions. We will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.